love is in works. When love exists, it does great things. But when it ceases to act, it ceases to exist. Beautiful line said by Saint Gregory. Yes, today, 3rd of September, we celebrate the feast day of Saint Gregory, famously known as Gregory the Great. He was the Pope of Catholic Church between 590 to 604 AD. He was born around 514 Rome. Although long before his birth, the Western Roman Empire had collapsed, but still there were many families who had strong command on wealth and influence in the city. And yes, Gregory was born in one such family. Gregory's great-great-grandfather was Pope Felix III, who reigned from 483 to 492 AD. Gregory's father's name was Gordianus, who was a senator and a prefect of Rome. Gregory's mother's name was Sylvia. She was also from a noble family and is recognized as saint by Catholic as well as Orthodox churches. After Gregory's father had died, Gregory had a family villa in Rome, which was then converted into a monastery. As a monk, Gregory was very hard and strict. Gregory was well educated, he excelled in all his studies. He also became the expert in the law, and that is the reason why he is called as the patron saint of students and teachers. Gregory also became the prefect of Rome, just as his father had been. Pope Gregory made many changes in the Holy Mass, some of which even remain today. To quote some, the position of Our Father in the Holy Mass remains where Pope Gregory had placed it. Pope Pelagius II, who reigned from 579 to 590 AD, appointed Gregory to serve as an ambassador to the imperial court. And after his death, Gregory was proclaimed as Pope by acclamation. This was not something that Gregory wanted to do. He made it clear that he preferred monastic life, but still he took it as a duty. Gregory was very famous for his missionary work. He sent many people out to bring many people in Jesus and into the church. He also referred himself as a servant of God, and this is one of the habits which is even practiced today. Even today, many clergy refer themselves as the servants of God. Gregory had always emphasized on the services given to the poor. He ordered all his subordinates that it is their duty to relieve the distress of the poor. He ordered all his clergy to go into the streets, find the needy and care for them. And if anybody shows unwillingness towards helping the poor, were replaced by Pope Gregory. During his time, the Rome was badly hit by a famine. Gregory ordered all the church officials to use the church assets to feed the poor. And that's how he saved thousands of lives who were about to get certain death. In his last years, Gregory suffered from arthritis. He died on 12th May 604 AD. He was immediately proclaimed as saint by means of a popular acclaim. His relics remain in St. Peter's Basilica's church. So, just like Gregory, we must reach out to the people with generosity, providing them with physical and spiritual needs. We must also desire that all should come to the knowledge and love of Jesus Christ. So, for a greater share of the virtue of generosity, Saint Gregory the Great, pray for us.